Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if the perpendicular distance of the point this to the plane is this. So, they have given you point, they have given you plane, and they have already given you the distance. You need to find out the variable k, and later you need to solve for this idea. As you guys are aware of this thing, that the distance of the point from the plane is point satisfaction by root under a square plus b square plus c square for the case of plane. So first you know that distance should be in mod. So we will satisfy the point. So 2, 1, then 2, 2, then minus 4, then k upon a square plus b square plus c square. So a is 2, so 2 square is 4, b square is 2, 2 is 4, and then minus 1 is 1. So this is your perpendicular distance according to us. According to us, perpendicular distance is this, but according to them, perpendicular distance is 3. You know that you have to deal with mod, so if we will remove mod, you will have plus minus 3. I hope this is clear. Okay, and this should be root under. Okay, point satisfaction upon root under a square plus b square plus c square. In the image and the foot of perpendicular, we don't have root. Okay, so let's solve this one. So it is 2 4, so this thing gone, so it is 2 plus k upon 3. So we guys can write down plus minus 9, 2 plus k. So the value of k will become either 7 or minus 11. Correct? Means 2 will go that side, it will become minus 2. So plus 9 minus 2 is 7, minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11. Now we need to find out k minus 4. So the value of k minus 4, sorry, k minus 4 will become what? If it is 7, 7 minus 4 will become 3, and if it is minus 11, so minus 11 minus 4 will become minus of 15. So either we will go with 3 or we will go with minus 15. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.